Water just flooded your home. The next 24 hours matter more than anything else you'll do. Here's exactly what to act on right now. First, find the source and shut it off. Burst pipe? Turn off the main water valve, usually near your basement's front wall. Next, cut power to every wet room at your breaker box. Standing water near live outlets is a serious electrocution hazard. Don't skip this. Before moving anything, photograph everything: the source, standing water, wet walls, damaged belongings. Your insurance adjuster needs this documentation. Now, remove the water. A wet, dry shop vac works for small areas. Anything deeper than an inch across a large space needs a submersible pump. Pull up wet rugs immediately. A soaked rug traps moisture against your floor and speeds up damage underneath. Wet carpet padding almost always has to go. Get air moving. Open windows only if outside air is drier than inside. In a humid New Jersey summer, keep windows closed and run your air conditioning instead. Avoid common mistakes. Don't use a regular vacuum on water. Don't crank the heat. And don't throw away damaged materials before your adjuster photographs them. Don't wait. Water damage gets worse every hour. Call the restoration group at 855-650-7422